Check that out. Melt all the heart. Oh, hey, I know that wasn't your key, baby, but you can sing, girl. Smile, you smile. I'm getting old and tired. Take time to tell me that you really care, and we'll share tomorrow together. I'll always love you forever. I'm talking about you, something, Kimberly. Always be sunshine when I look at you. Some things I can't explain, just the things that you do. And if you get low, for me I can take a second to give to me that magic you make every day. Love me your own, same baby, special way. No, you can just stand there. I don't know what I'm saying. Hey, with a smile, just take time to tell me that you care. Just take care of how you do it. And we share tomorrow together. Always love you. Hey, all right. See, I was scared of that part. Hey, forever, and that's a very long time. I said, yes, I'm the one. Yes, I'm the one who loves you forever. That's a very long time. Forever. With you.
Go get it. Go get it.
Oh yeah. Thank you guys so much. I'm serious, I'm getting old. I can't walk around too much. This goes out to Mr. Lee Pitts.